Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to find YouTube email address. So let's go to YouTube first. After go to YouTube, choose one channel like this.
আমরা আমাদের আশেপাশে অনেক হারাম
Then you can see here the YouTube channel name. Just click on YouTube channel name.
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ثم আলহামদুলিল্লাহ
Then you'll find here about. Sometimes you need to scroll like this, but you'll find about here. Go to about, scroll down and you can see here for business inquiries, view email address. Click on view email address. Now check this, I'm not a robot. Now click on submit. Then you'll find here the email address. You can copy it and you can mail it. Okay guys, so this is how you can find the email address on YouTube in another channel or any channel. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.